The Executive Committee of the Dorbarshnong of Rapleng under Maukanrao constituency has issued a warning to tourists and visitors to not throw waste and other materials in tourist spots in and around the village, as this may cause harm to many who visit the place. Speaking to reporters today, one of the members of the Dorbarshnong, Seibor Warba, stated that all visitors are to adhere to rules and regulations of the village authority so as to enable the maintenance of cleanliness of the places, especially around Madan and Lum Rapleng. He added that most of the children of the village are cattle herders, and throwing of waste such as used bottles and other materials may injure them.
Kai ke pangui hak ni ke jingwan ke jong kini ke parlok ke cumi ngisem ya kai ke kadang ke cumi ke sinong ka pelong ini bagi hak banyak keren ha kalian jong ka executive committee jong ke sinong rumju ke sinong dia berkowe berkata kalau ba hak ke jingwan ke cumi kini ke parlok ke cumi Syakit cakap ke cumi bangun cuma kai, bangun pitkai, lain nak benda ke dalam di kamar cumi, ngilap mission, ya kata kejengwan ke cumi, let's say, habakiwan let's say kimlar ke cumi berkat, dah kemudian kontai, Henry habakiwan tentang ki ino ya kibitor plastik, ki ino ki ya kita taruh di bagi song untuk kebang tadi, ini kita tentang kadang dulu ke cengkun pipe ya kita apa kita dicekak ke cumi. Karena kalian ke cumi, ke cingwan cumi yang ini ke pengsan ya kalau bagi kuat ban abil, ban buh cengkun pan, dapat sengurit. Syakir parlok ke cumi ke bawan dari kesi, bagi bawan napa juga kesi tu, kita boleh ijat dulu kesi ke cumi. Bahawa piwan syarikat yang cakap ke cumi, kabahapa apa kecingpet cingkmi cuma Dorbarshnong Rapleng. Ni bidang suhai pi bapiwan. Henry ban kenau bapiwan ban buram ya kami mariang ke cumi. Kabangidon ki klang ki ba itunan. Kamadan kabakul. Kaba ngimyubi ya kalau kecing capan ki bandong. Henry lada kini kita parlok cumi kita bawan ban syangkai, syakit kita cakap cumi, kita wan harata kerupam bagian sugar mathan, ya kita plastik dan plastik kita berkira, lalu bagian wan harata kerupam bagian wan syakit yang mensil tentang ada cing sengukumen cing sengshongshit kumi penpai kita ada cing isyak cing erwai. Ngini bakal orang kecil tak pan nak ada cumi ke Dorbarshnong orang itu, bah itu cakap kita nak ada yang jom, kita perlu kita pun ke cumi ke suntunan penuan, kami dah cakap kita suruh pelang be, kadai kita cakap kita, kini orang cumi kita
In the meantime, the former secretary of the Dorbarshnong of Rapleng, Fulbakstar Pangrop, said that while the tourist spots are located away from the residential area, yet the village authority is cautious enough to take care that no untoward incident takes place in the village itself due to visitors from other parts of the country and elsewhere.